now we are ready to install the OS. So basically, for the people that know how to install Debian, you just need to make sure that your host name is this one and the domain doesn't need to be this one, but needs to be something. So first I'm going to create a virtual machine. I'm going to select the Debian ISO. Forward, I'm going to give it 10 gigas and half of my CPUs. I'm going to give 120 and I'm going to name it subserver. So let's start the machine. It is not needed. So English, I'm in Portugal, United States, Portuguese. Okay, so like I said, the host name needs to be this one. So VHACALNPLCA. Continue. The domain needs to be something. Don't need to be this one. No domain. I'm not going to create a root user since I want my user to be in the sudoers group, and the user is going to be keyWA and the password is going to be the same. Lisbon, yeah. Guided, yes, yes. Continue. So let's write things to the disk. Okay, continue. Portugal, continue. Yeah. Okay. I guess it can be. Why not? So in here, I at least don't need a desktop environment. This is up to you. I will connect from a SSH connection to my server, so I'm going to install it now. Okay, so I'm going to install grub, select the disk, continue, and we should have the installation finished. Perfect, so continue. We should boot to the machine. Okay, now we are going to install the dependencies and going to change the IP on the hosts. So first, you're going to log in. We're going to see the IP. So as you can see, it's 192.168.122.45. So I can just close this window and SSH to it. Let me zoom a bit. The IP should be different for you. 168.122.168.122.45. Yes. The password. Okay, we are in. So now we are going to install the dependencies. I'm going to install vim2, so I can edit the etc hosts file. Yes, install. Okay, so now I'm going to copy this and edit the folder, the file. And I forgot to enter in sudo. Okay. So 192.168.122.45. We're going to save and we can just reboot the machine now. And the installation is complete.